Guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to manage your work and schedules using the UKG Pro. Okay, so right here, let's focus on the workforce management since we cannot really access the dashboard of this tool because we have to sign up and request a demo. So let's just go to the solutions and go to the workforce management. Okay, so right here on the workforce management tools, as you can see, this is discover how UKJ's AI powered workforce management tools can help you streamline your time and attendance, optimize scheduling, and build a workplace where every employee can thrive. So here, as you can see, we have time and attendance, schedulings, analytics, compliance, communication and collaboration, and the strategic workforce planning. So let's go to the time and attendance before we proceed to the scheduling because both of them are connected. Okay, so for the time and attendance, as you can see, you can improve payroll accuracy and minimize costly overtime. All right. So here you can track the employee time, attendance, and activity while gathering data to enforce work and pay rules and easily manage exceptions for ongoing compliance and cost control. So you can simplify timekeeping. So you can track time and attendance for all of your hourly and salaried employees on a flexible platform. Proactive absence management. So gain visibility into absence trends such as planned, incidental, or extended employee absence to better understand the impact has on your organization. You also have the trackable job ghosting, so you can improve operational performance with real time insights into productivity across different jobs and activities. And then reimagine time collect, so you can collect in and out on the InTouch DX, built for the modern workforce inspired by the technology used in our lives every day. All right, so now let's go back here on the scheduling. So you can help managers ensures every shift has optimal coverage while giving employees the flexibility to choose how and when they work. All right, so let's go and click on learn more. So tracking time has gone beyond simply clocking in and out. So here with a UKG Pro scheduling, changes the experience for people and your business. So, with this, intelligent scheduling tools help you create flexibility schedule for your people, manage compliance and safety risk, and align the talented people to get the job done. So here we have the dynamic scheduling, staffing visibility, and the powerful AI. So let's start with the dynamic scheduling. So create flexible schedules to make sure the right people are at the right jobs and at the right time. All right. So here for the dynamic scheduling, okay. So here slow and inaccurate scheduling processes can make it difficult to schedule a diverse workforce and can result in decreased productivity, wasted labor expense, and risk of non-compliance. So the UKG Pro scheduling, or formerly UKG Dimension scheduling, powered by the advanced artificial intelligence capabilities, is the automated solution that can help you create best fit schedules and purpose for all people. So, smart schedules purposely built with automation that aligns labor to demand to comply with complicated scheduling rules and manage without worry in real time, empower all people with self-service and mobile scheduling, and improve the quality of employee scheduling by having a precise forecast. Right, so now let's go back to the staffing visibility. So it can gain visibility into schedules and ensure people with the right skills or certifications are scheduled for critical shifts. Okay, for the UKJ Pro forecasting, informs effective scheduling by making accurate and timely predictions. So the self-tuning and pretended machine learning algorithm automatically learns from trends and data unique for you. So forecasting identifies well-validated patterns, creates best fit schedules for all, and establishes more accurate forecasts achieved through machine learning for an optimized workforce. So be confident in accurate schedules and trust their patented ML algorithm to drive optimized schedules for your business and your people. So deliver timely schedule to every person by using an accurate forecast that provides a unique artificial intelligence or AI forecasting solution powered by an extensible platform as a service. An effective periodic or seasonal coverage with self-tuning insights, leveraging full power of data to use patterns in the past to predict the future, and the ability to analyze staffing measurements to make smarter adjustments in the moment, and ideal schedules influenced by purposeful workforce management data across the organization history. All right, so that one is. Now let's go back to the AI. Okay, so for the AI, let me just go back to the scheduling section. Okay, so here we have the advanced scheduling solution. So the UKG Pro advanced scheduling puts your most trusted, qualified people and their well-being at the forefront while removing the guesswork from scheduling. It places a specific focus on helping your organization anticipate staffing needs, control labor costs, and improve employee productivity, deliver exceptional customer service, and ensure continuity of people operations while supporting your people in a very meaningful way. So you can make your people happy and improve your bottom line results. So enable people to identify shifts, preference, and availability patterns. Support life work decisions by giving your people more schedule flexibility. Provide intelligence, rule checking, and shifts coverage functionality. Leverage algorithms that prepare best fit schedules for everyone. Help managers balance resources and align best fit schedules more effectively. So, this tool is helpful because it keeps all employee information, payroll, scheduling, and HR tasks in one system, making work easier and more organized. It saves time for both managers and employees since things like pay details, schedules, and personal information can be quickly accessed online or through the app. So, this reduces errors, improves communication, and helps companies take better care of their people while also focusing on business growth. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.